Well, this was very nice today on the 27th of April 2025. We have Bäckbornas 29 here. This is the Beckomberga, Stockholm, Sweden. 5 floors. Built in autumn 1991, finished in 1992. And it's in British K 5 floors, 75 9. Let's try to right here, but 5 floors here. I love the sound and smell here.
So.
The door wasn't completely locked up here. No.
Yeah. Inspected by QI inspected, maintained by Schindler.
Very cool smell of the hard dogs actually.
Yeah. That's